Chris Weidman is set to go down against Bruno Silva, and to me, I kinda don't feel well about Chris Weidman, the former champ. After suffering that nasty leg injury, he has never been the same. He used to be a great wrestler, a great demolisher, and 6'2", 78 inches of reach, excellent fighter. But unfortunately, this former wrestler is not on a good streak. Back-to-back losses to Uriah Hall and Brett Tavares, and I think this is his last chance to get back into the winning column. Yes, he defeated Omari Akhmedov, but unfortunately, he was sidelined for a very long period of time. Lost to Jacare Souza and Dominic Reyes. He's on a cold streak at the moment. Bruno Silva is a heck of a striker. He's got powerful hands and an excellent chin, which is seen in the match against Alex Pereira. So Bruno Silva can really take a beating. Weidman is better on the ground, but I just have a bad feeling about Chris Weidman in this fight. So I'm gonna say Silva to win. I want Weidman to win, but I don't see it happening.